All right, let's write some code. In this video, we're building the simplest possible Praval agent, a friendly greeter that responds to messages. By the end, you'll understand the core concepts: the agent decorator, the responds underscore to parameter, how broadcast works, what a spore looks like, and how the reef ties everything together. Before we dive in, let's talk about setup. Praval uses LLMs under the hood, so you'll need an API key. Create a .env file and add either your OpenAI key or your Anthropic key. Praval supports both, plus Azure OpenAI. We load these keys using Python.env. This keeps your secrets out of your code, which is always a good practice. Now let's import what we need from Praval. 3 things: the agent decorator for creating agents, the broadcast function for sending messages, and get_reef, which gives us access to the message bus. Look at the comments in the code. The agent decorator creates agent functions, broadcast sends messages to all listeners, and get_reef gets the communication backbone. These 3 cover most of what you'll need. Here's our first agent. Look at that agent decorator. We give it a name, greeter, and tell it to respond to messages with type greeting. Inside the function, we grab the name from the Spore's knowledge dictionary, defaulting to world if none was provided. Then we broadcast a new message with type greeting_response containing our hello message. Simple, right? Now we need someone to hear the greeting. The listener agent responds to greeting_response messages. It just extracts the message and prints it. This is a common pattern. One agent does work and broadcasts results. Another agent receives and acts on them. Let's visualize what's happening. The user sends a greeting message. The greeter agent picks it up and broadcasts a greeting_response. The listener receives that response and prints it. Notice that these agents have no idea about each other. They're connected only through the message types they care about. Time to run it. We get the reef instance and broadcast a message with type greeting and a name. The moment we broadcast, the greeter agent wakes up, does its thing, and broadcasts the response. The listener catches that and prints our greeting. Want to greet multiple people? Just loop through a list and broadcast each one. Alice, Bob, Charlie, they all get greeted. Each broadcast triggers the greeter, which triggers the listener. It's that straightforward. Let's recap what we learned. The agent decorator with a name and responds_to-list is how you create agents. The Spore.knowledge dictionary is where you find your message data. The broadcast function sends messages to everyone who's listening. And the type field in your knowledge is what routes messages to the right agents. In the next video, we're stepping it up. We'll build a 3-agent research pipeline that searches academic papers, summarizes them using an LLM, and collects the results. Real agents doing real work. See you there.